Again, one more true and false question. The number of tropical cyclone varies each year. I'll repeat my question. The number of tropical cyclone varies each year. Just you need to say true or false. Team 2, Prathamesh, Mallar, Dhruvika, and 2 more members of partner school, please. Okay, the answer was already there in a chat. Can you check? Can you unmute yourself and please try to call the answer?
Yes, sir. True.
Okay. Second answer for the team B is also correct. Going for question number 3. For a team A, you need to talk about the duration, time duration, how long the cyclone stays. So I'll read out the question for you. How long do the tropical cyclone typically last for? How long do tropical cyclone typically last for? 1 to 4 days, 7 to 14 days, 16 to 24 days. I'll repeat my question. How long do tropical cyclone typically last for? 1 to 4 days, 7 to 14 days, 16 to 24 days. Can you unmute and please call out the answer, Afsana?
7 to 14 days.
It is correct answer. You can show the claps symbolically on your screen just to appreciate the efforts taken by your partner school. So requesting everybody to show the claps symbolically to just appreciate, to encourage the participants. We are little bit out of we are going for an online quiz. So motivation is required. Correct answer. We go for the next question now. How wide can the eye of tropical cyclone will be? How wide can the eye of tropical cyclone will be? Options are 10 miles. Options are next option 50 miles and next one 90 miles. Team B, Prathamesh, Mallar, Dhruvika, and two more member, Sanjida, and one more. Okay. If you'll rename your screen name, then I can call out it in an easy manner. Question for team B, I'll repeat the question. You are requested to put it in a chat, and again you are requested to unmute and call out the answer. How wide can the eye of tropical cyclone will be? Options are 10 miles, 50 miles, and 90 miles.
Sir, 10 miles.
So the answer is 10 miles.
Okay, answer given by the team B, it is 10 miles, and the answer is 50 miles. So no worries, we are going to have a quiz where we are trying to enrich our knowledge for the cyclone. Even there may be a wrong or right, you just need to attempt somehow. We are very few of them. We are trying to learn. We are just trying to be in the chain of a learning and getting connected with the environment, with the new things. So don't lose your hope. Try for your next question. Next question for team A. Wind speeds falls with a distance from the eye wall of a tropical cyclone. Wind speed fall with a distance from the eye wall of a tropical cyclone. Just it is true or false answer for team A members.
Sir, it is true.
Can you repeat your answer?
Sir, true.
True. The correct answer said by team A. Next question for team B. Total, we have few more questions now remaining with us. Which of the following is not a name for a tropical cyclone? I'll give you just two options to make it easy. Which of the following is not a name for tropical cyclone? Option A is Willy Willy. Option B is depression. Option A is Willy Willy. Option B is depression.
Sir, depression B.
Okay, correct answer from the team B members. Next question for team A. What type of air pressure is associated with tropical cyclone? What type of air pressure is associated with tropical cyclone? Options are high pressure and option B is low pressure. Question for team A. What type of air pressure is associated with tropical cyclone? Options are high pressure. Option B is low pressure.
Sir, low pressure.
The correct answer by the team A member. Last question from the round one. Question is little bit big one, so I'll try to have a snapshot of the same thing. I'll request Adish sir from the desktop, please show the question number 6. Okay. Due to the system's inability to work, I'll try to read out, or otherwise I'll put it in a chat for everyone. Adish, can you make me host? Okay, last question for the team B. The formation of tropical cyclone involves warm, moist air rising and condensing. I'll repeat my question. The formation of tropical cyclones involve warm, moist air rising and condensing. You have to just say true or false. Can you just unmute and just talk about the answer?
Answer is true.
Correct. Correct answer. I'll just give you an idea. We are asked in a first round 10 questions together in 2 teams divided, and we have only one wrong answer by both the teams. So we have one more round now where we're going to ask 10 more questions, which will be the short one. Just 2 or maximum 2 options. Now there will be no like true or false. We'll have some questions where you need to give some technical information. So first question to the team A members. I'm requesting every team A members to raise your hand on a screen, means I'll read out your names and just appreciate. Darshan, Apsana, team A members, Abhishek. Okay, I feel currently 3 members are there. Okay, from team B, team A members requested to lower down your hands. Now requesting team B members to raise your hands, please. Dhruvika, Prathamesh, Mahua, Sanjita. Okay, so first round is over. You're about to talk about 4 correct answers. Now we'll moving for one more round. With a time limit of 40 minutes, we'll try to have as many as questions are possible. We are trying to just enrich our subject knowledge, and we'll try to communicate with the partner school and trying to just have a kind of involvement where both the school students will try to effectively communicate with each other. So next questions. Cyclones are also known as Team A members.
Sir, cyclones are also known as hurricanes.
Cyclones are also known as, options are thunder and hurricanes.
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 Hurricane. Good one. Darshan and Aksana are able to talk about correct answer. Next question for team B. Now it is not like a question that you can talk any, there will be a many multiple correct answer for this question. But I'm just asking you any recent name of the cyclone which was formed and dissipated in the year of 2021.
Okay. Sir, yes.
Yas, Topte, again
Nisarga.
anything?
Nisarga.
Nisarga. Again
Sir,
anything?
Nisarga. Nisarga.
Recent one means we are our topic. Topte, you have talked about. Yas, you said. Few more from the team. Amphan. Okay, we are not habitual to call out the name of the cyclone because it was like the part of only subject enrichment. So spirit is required to call out the name, and that spirit is already existing in your side. So hats off to you to call out more than 2 names. That spirit is actually like appreciable. Next question for team A. This will be marked as a correct answer. Next question for team A. Just give me a 1 moment. For team A, which of the following country has a chosen name Nisarga for the cyclone which is having an impact on Maharashtra and Gujarat in June 2020? I'll give you two options. Which of the following country has chosen the name Nisarga for having an impact in Maharashtra and Gujarat in June 2020? Options are, moreover, from the 2 countries where we are trying to communicate. Option A is India, option B is Bangladesh. And team E,
Sir, Bangladesh.
good one. This is the correct answer. Next question to team B. Name the cyclone which is having an impact on, especially in India, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman. And the affected areas are like Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Lakshadweep. Out of 2 cyclones, the option A is Jawad, which is recent one, and the next option is Topte. Question for team B.
So, Jawad.
Jawad. Okay, the correct answer is Topte. Next question to team A. Which of the following cyclone is responsible for having a most impact in Odisha and West Bengal? Options are, again same option, Jawad and Topte.
Okay.
Again the answer is Jawad. Jawad is the recent tropical cyclone which do have impact on adjoining areas of Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal, and followed by the heavy rainfalls. So The Jawad is the recent one, which is do have impact on Odisha and West Bengal region especially. Next question. Which of the following is the deadliest cyclone in the history of the world? I'll tell you death ratio also. You please try to correlate the things. The Great Bola cyclone with the death of 3 lakhs to 5 lakh people. And one more is a Haifong typhoon, which is having 3 lakh death count. Which of the following is deadliest cyclone in the world history? Question for team A. Team B.
So the answer is Great Bola Cyclone.
Great
Great
Bola
Bola.
cyclone is answer.
Correct one. Great Bola. Okay. Next question for team A now. Temperate cyclones are also known as depression and willy willy.
Depression.
I'll repeat my question. Temperate cyclones are also known as depressions and willy willy.
Sir, Willy.
Okay, depression is the right answer. I think I repeated the question, so you might get confused. Temperate cyclones are also known as extratropical cyclones, wave cyclones, and depressions.
Depressions.
Willy willy is the odd one word that we have added. So this is the wrong answer for a team E. Next question. Which of the following countries has faced most tropical cyclones till today? I'll repeat my question. Which of the following countries has faced most tropical cyclones till today? Options are China, option B, Bangladesh. Question for team B.
Sir, B, Bangladesh.
Am I right? Question for team B, no? Yes. Okay. I'll repeat question. And the answer was given already, so we'll consider this answer only. Which of the following countries has faced most tropical cyclones till today? Option A is China, option B is Bangladesh. And somebody said Bangladesh. The correct answer is China, according to what references I do find it out. Last question for both the teams now. We'll try to make it simple as possible. What is the center of tropical cyclones, tropical storms is known as? Mouth or eye?
I.
Correct answer. Correct answer. Last question for team B. And just need your appreciation by showing claps symbolically on your screen. Let's hope that will motivate the students for the last question. Okay, thank you. What causes tropical cyclones to spin? What causes tropical cyclones to spin? Option A is rotation of Earth. Option B is gravitational pull from sun and moon.
Rotation of Earth.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So here we are ended with the 2 rounds of question. We planned somehow to take a quiz and we get a really amazing efforts, amazing
Hello, click the link and join back. We lost the connections. We are back again. Ade sir, all have joined back, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kindly put on your video.
Sir, I have two questions.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Last final wild card entry question. It is not related to cyclone. Let me check the general knowledge of the students. Okay. Can the students from India tell that which is the highest mountain in Bangladesh? Highest, don't Google it, okay, side by side. Highest mountain in Bangladesh.
Mountain.
The highest point in Bangladesh, highest mountain in Bangladesh. Idea? No answer. Can the students from Bangladesh answer this? Highest mountain.
Maybe, sir,
Yes, somebody.
it's maybe
Apsana is trying.
Keokardang, like I can spell it, like pronunciation problem.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
It's in
okay. It's
Bandarban.
okay.
It's in Bandarban. Maybe the name is Keokardang, something like that.
In India, you say? India?
Mount Everest.
It is not, it's in Nepal. I think
Oh,
you have
sorry.
pronounced it like Kanchenjunga, this in India, which is the highest peak in India. I think you got the answer, but pronunciation was an issue. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. While as in Bangladesh, if I'm not wrong, Saka Hapsong. Am I right, sir? Saka Hapsong, the highest peak as per this is given. Yeah. Am I right, Hassan sir? Highest peak of Bangladesh, 1064 meters. Okay. Who is the president of Bangladesh? Indian students must answer this. No? No Googling allowed? Okay. Who is the president of India who visited Bangladesh 2 days before? Name the president of India who visited your country 2 days before. He was in Dhaka.
Namkant Kovind.
Ramnath Kovind, right answer. Very good.
Ramnath Kovind.
Very good. Very good, Apsana. You are updated in GK. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.